So for our second question, we have Jeremy has 9 plastic bags. He puts 7 pebbles in each bag. Which expression is the same fact family as 9 times 7 equals 63? So the really important part of this question right here is going to be which expression is in the same fact family as 9 times 7 equals 63. The rest of it, it's nice information, but it's not really needed in order to solve this question. So what a fact family is, it's a group of 3 numbers that can be combined to create 4 math equations or 4 math sentences. There are 2 types of fact families. There's the addition and subtraction fact families, and there's the multiplication and division fact families. So right here, we see that this is a multiplication sign. So we know that this 9 times 7 equals 63 is going to be part of a multiplication division fact family. And in those fact families, every math equation, the 4 math equations that you get out of it, all have multiplication or division in them. There's no addition and subtraction. So if we have these answer choices, the first thing we can do is take away any that we see that has an addition or a subtraction in it. So that's going to be this one. So we can cross this out. We know that this isn't going to be part of it. For the rest of it, what we can do is we can go ahead and solve the questions, and we can see what answers we come up with, and we can see if those 3 numbers are going to be the same as 9, 7, and 63. So 63 divided by 9, we know is 7. 63 times 7, if you want the help of your calculator, is going to be 441. And if we wanted to see how to do this by hand, it would be 63 times 7. 3 times 7 we know is 21, so 2 would go here, 1 would go here. 6 times 7 is going to be 42, plus 2 is going to be 44, so then we would put 44 here. And that's a good way of double checking our answer. 9 divided by 63, this isn't really one you have to do by hand. You already know, because 63 is a much bigger number than 9, that this value is going to be less than 1. If you want to use your calculator to be exact, it's going to be 0.14, roughly. So fact families all have 3 same numbers. And so if we know that the 3 numbers are 9, 7, and 63, we have to look for the equation that also has 9, 7, and 63. So that's going to be this top one here, 9, 7, and 63. So we know that 63 divided by 9 equals 7 is going to be an expression that's in the same fact family as 9 times 7 equals 63. A second way we can solve this is by being more proactive. Rather than looking at the answer choices, we can write out the fact family for this expression right here, and then we can see if any of our answer choices match this. So we know that fact families have 3 same numbers, and they create 4 math equations. So we already have one right here, so let's write this out. So the first one is 9 times 7 equals 63. And because this is multiplication, it's going to be part of the multiplication division fact family. So another way that we could write this out is if we're going to, let's go ahead and let's reverse this and use some division. So another one is going to be 63 divided by 7 equals 9. The third way is we could switch these two and get 63 divided by 9 equals 7. And the last one we could get as part of our fact family is by switching these two to still get the same answer. So that would be 7 times 9 equals 63. Now what we can do is see if any of these in our fact family match up with the answer choices, which they do. If you look here, you'll see that our second equation in the fact family, oh, I apologize, not the second one. Our third equation in the fact family, right here, 63 divided by 9, matches up exactly with this one right here. So we know that 63 divided by 9 equals 7 is going to be our answer.